Hello, all. Welcome to another video. Yeah, it could be part of data science with Julia, but this is much more about this is much more than Julia. It's about like programming fonts. So like you would have used editors and all those stuff. So this is my ID. Like I'm just writing a book and all those stuff. But yeah, like you have this programming and this there is some font in this IDE that it's been used. I don't know what font it is. So uh, I think I need to set it. So I don't know where to go and find font for Atom. Look, I use Atom because okay, yeah, I think it's an editor or something. Yeah, I use a font called Jetbrains or something like that. Okay, so Jetbrains more. Okay, and that's because yeah, like I seem to like that font. So in fact, like what to say, like JetBrains, yeah, it's a company. It's a proprietary company that does a lot of proprietary stuff. That means you can't modify stuff and all those things. If I modify JetBrains font, I don't know, like possibly I could be sued or something like that. But otherwise, it's a free font. I don't know. Like, let me just check it. But similarly, Julia has put some font that is totally free to use. Okay, so JetBrains font. I don't know about its license. So okay, yeah, it's free and open source. Okay, this is also open source. Okay, so that's good. Okay, but yeah, similarly, Julia has also what to say put out its own font like Julia Community, right? And this font is free, and you can modify it, you can redistribute it, and all those stuff. And it's there for all editors. That's what they just say. Like it's there for Juno. Juno is a specialized editor for Julia and VS Code, Vim, Emacs, and I'm using Atom. Yeah, and I just downloaded it and. Yeah, I use Mac unfortunately, and I hope yeah, like Intel and AMD can put energy efficient processors that rivals M1, and hopefully I can ditch my Mac and buy those system and run Linux. I'm just waiting for the day, but yeah, I just because I'm using Mac, I installed it. Using this one. Yeah, Mac users are babies, Windows users are idiots, and and I don't know if the video will be blocked in YouTube, but yeah. But yeah, Linux users are real computing guys, right? So I hope to install it one day like this in my computer, right? So that's the thing. So yeah, so I just even found out like okay, it is there in this website called okay, juliamono.netlify.app. I don't know what this netlify.app means. I think yeah, this company wants some kind of propaganda, so possibly they even did some font, just like JetBrains wants some propaganda, right? So yeah, so look, yeah, like yeah, possibly yeah. I think like this company wants some propaganda, so they just put some font, or it could be in just very true, really good sense or something like that. You really don't know, but still, even though Google has done a lot of stuff to open source, they do have something at at what to say back of their mind. Like no, not everybody can be like Richard Stallman. If you want to know about Richard Stallman, yeah, so I'm sorry, like I'm just going into all this free software stuff and all those things, and so yeah, you can't be as good as this guy, right? So Steve Jobs is Steve Jobs. He was evil. Larry Page and Sergey Brin of Google are also kind of evil, like so. That's the thing. And another thing, what I just found out from this page is like yeah, like you do have a thing called okay, like programmingfonts.org. This website you just have, and over here you can compare all fonts and all those stuff. So that's the thing. So like you just have a piece of code. You can type whatever code you want, but I'm just going with a default code. So you can just choose any font, and yeah, this is how it looks. You see, you think this looks good. I'm not sure, but yeah, it all depends on you. So, like, I just want to compare this JetBrains Mono and Julia Mono. Like, okay, this is how it looks in JetBrains Mono, but it's readable better, or like, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Yeah. So, so I feel like Julia is a bit more readable. Okay, this. Okay, Julia, just look at. Okay, JetBrains Mono. Okay. Okay, this fonts and all is better in JetBrains Mono. But F, okay, like it just comes down. Okay, Julia Mono, no, not so much. And so in JetBrains Mono, right? Okay, right. Okay, 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 right. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like JetBrains Mono is more readable than this Julia Mono. So that's my kind of feeling. So that's it. But yeah, they claim that okay, like this font is more for this computing or scientific computing and all those stuff, and they are claiming that like okay, you have this thing called Unicode characters and all those stuff, right? So Julia Mono claims that there is a lot of Unicode characters in this font, and what to say? That's the thing. So that's what they just claim, right? Where is that graph? Yeah. So there are a lot of glyphs in this font. So that's the thing. And I don't know why they haven't compared it with JetBrains more because that's the font I've been using and I thought it was a popular font. But yeah, I could be wrong. So that's the thing. But yeah, it looks good over here. But over here, like comparing, like I feel like JetBrains Mono is better designed and much more readable. So that's what I just feel like. Yeah, but yeah, it all depends on each and every individual. Okay, so yeah, so just try out these fonts and all those stuff, and I don't know why it's going to this page. Okay, yeah, so yeah, try out these fonts. Possibly you could discover better fonts that suits you better rather than what to say like okay this braces and all are better with Julia, but JetBrains Mono no, like it'll be good like if we have some kind of font mixer or something like that. Okay, so where we can mix and make our own fonts or something like that. But yeah, whatever it is, so this is the thing, like programming fonts are important, like they can what to say unconsciously what to say impact your program or something like that. I believe in that. So if you believe in that, yeah, just go to this Julia fonts. Okay, what is this called? Okay, juliamono.netlify.app and possibly use netlify.app so that they get money or something, right? So and yeah, like you can go to this website called programmingfonts.org, compare your fonts and all those stuff. But yeah, I'm going to stick with JetBrains Mono, even though I have installed this Julia Mono and all those stuff. So that's the thing. So I don't know whether this data science video or something like that, but yeah, like possibly your experience could be improved by installing the right font. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. So if you don't know or didn't care about fonts, do give a thought about it. Possibly, yeah, it could subconsciously affect you and do something good or bad. Who knows? So yeah, that's it. That's it from me. It is just an awareness video. Anyway, thanks a lot. Bye.